If you've been paying attention to gaming in the last 2 years, you already know something huge is happening. And it's not happening on your console, and it's not happening on your PC. It's happening in your hands. Handheld gaming PCs have quietly become the most addictive category in the entire gaming world. And now, one name is starting to create serious tension in the market: the ASUS ROG Ally 2. Because if the rumors are true, the Ally 2 isn't going to be a normal upgrade. It could be the handheld that finally ends the Steam Deck versus Windows handheld debate in a way nobody expects. Not with marketing, not with hype, but with one thing that matters more than anything else in 2026 gaming: real performance, real battery life, and a handheld experience that doesn't feel like a compromise. So today we're going deep: what the ROG Ally 2 could be, why it's likely coming, what ASUS needs to fix, what upgrades would make it legendary, and the biggest question of all: should you buy a handheld gaming PC right now, or wait? Let's start with why Ally 2 matters in the first place. Because the original ROG Ally wasn't just another device. It was a statement. It was ASUS telling the world, we're not letting Valve own the handheld future alone. And the market proved ASUS right. People loved the Ally because it was powerful, portable, and it gave you something Steam Deck didn't fully give you: full Windows flexibility. That meant Steam, Epic Games Store, Xbox Game Pass PC, mods, emulators, launchers, everything. But it also came with a brutal truth. Windows on handheld is messy. Sometimes it's amazing. Sometimes it's painful. Sometimes it feels like you're fighting the device just to play a game. And ASUS has been learning that lesson publicly. Now here's where the story gets crazy. In 2025, ASUS didn't just push handhelds forward. They teamed up with Xbox. And yes, that's real. Microsoft announced ROG Xbox Ally and ROG Xbox Ally X, with a major launch push and October 16th availability reported by Xbox themselves. That move changed everything. Because now handheld gaming isn't just a niche. It's strategic. It's official. It's part of Xbox's future. And when Xbox and ASUS combine forces, it means they're preparing for something bigger than a refresh. It means they're building an ecosystem. And if you're hearing the name ROG Ally 2 right now, it's because people believe ASUS is about to drop the true next-gen handheld, built from everything they learned from Ally, Ally X, and the new Xbox Ally lineup. So let's talk about what ROG Ally 2 really could be. Because when people hear Ally 2, they think one thing: more power. But power alone won't win 2026. In 2026, every handheld is powerful. The real fight is efficiency. The real fight is battery. The real fight is thermals. The real fight is software experience. And if ASUS gets those 4 things right, the ROG Ally 2 could become the handheld that finally makes people stop comparing and start buying. First, let's talk about the chip. The biggest rumor theme around next-gen handhelds is AMD's Z2 platform, with higher-end variants like Ryzen Z2 Extreme showing up in new premium handhelds like the ROG Xbox Ally X. That's important because it signals AMD's roadmap is moving fast, and ASUS is clearly aligned with it. If ROG Ally 2 arrives, it almost certainly arrives with a next-gen AMD handheld chip,